it's Lindsay, and I'm so excited because I finally have my hair back. If you haven't seen any of my things lately, I got my extensions put in last week from my friend Brooke. She came down and we had just such a nice afternoon together, and she did such a good job. She is in the academy, and she's been kind of in the same spot for a little while, but she's been working really hard, and she still practices on her mannequin, and she's taking clients and stuff like that. And I wish she lived closer so she could work at my salon. I would poach her in an instant. Anyway, so next time we're gonna do each other's hair the same day, which normally that's how we do it, but this time it didn't work out like that. But it was such a good day, such a great experience. I haven't worn 22s since April, and then I ended up taking them out for the summer. I put in 2 rows of 18s, cut those a little bit shorter, and layered those a bunch. And then over the rest of the summer, since I was so sick, I've been in an autoimmune flare for months and months and months. I just took my extensions out completely after playing with like 1 row, chopping it all off, and then most recently I cut bangs. So anyway, now I have my hair back, and I feel like it's changed pretty much everything about my personality. I feel like I definitely walk taller. I definitely feel cuter. Even just like around the house and stuff, my husband's like, I see you flipping your hair over there. I just can't help it. There is just such a change. I don't know how to explain it. It changes everything. So I'm at after school pickup, and I figured I would do a video since I haven't done one of these car vlogs in a really long time, mostly because I just felt like crap. And I just, if you're not feeling great, it's one thing, but if you are not feeling great for an extended period of time, it definitely changes your mindset about a lot of things. Most definitely, it takes a toll on your self-confidence and your willingness and ability to show up for other people, but also you get to the point where you just don't even want to show up for yourself, so it can create this like dark little web spiral. I work really hard to keep myself out of that kind of mindset, but it does take its toll after a time. Today, I'm really proud of myself. I did one of my walking workouts on my treadmill, and it was the first time. It's like a harder one, and it's the first time since the spring that I've been able to do one of those workouts and feel like it helped me gain more energy as opposed to depleting it. I do have to exercise with what I've got going on as I can tolerate it. So over the summer and into the fall, I've been able to notice a big shift in my energy and how I'm able to exercise and start doing a little bit more. So I definitely feel like I'm making good headway into, I don't know if I'll be able to get into remission again. That's the goal, but right now we're going to stay on medication and just keep an eye on stress and lifestyle and all of that kind of stuff for the next 6 to 12 months, and then we're going to reassess. So little by little, you don't want to push yourself too much, but also it's really important if you're struggling with autoimmune or anything like that. It's really easy to just want to curl up and not move. But in my experience over the last decade and a half, it is way more helpful to at least do a little bit of movement, and then more as you feel a little bit better. If you stay in one spot, you're never going to progress. Just like with business, with life, with anything. So, what else was I going to say? Oh, today also, I am revisiting like old things for marketing, and we had learned something it's been kind of an up and down thing with the academies, like licensed artists and graduates and that kind of stuff. But 2 years ago, or was it 1 year, a year and a half ago, they had brought out this marketing plan, and it was kind of defunct. It did not work. But so I'm revisiting some of that just to get some sort of a strategy in my brain about what I want to post, what I want to share, and kind of how I can build upon like bigger pieces of content like my YouTube videos or my blog posts, that kind of stuff. And I've been talking about doing a podcast, and I really do think I want to, because obviously I just love talking, but I feel like I might get more, I don't know what you'll get out of it, but I feel like I am kind of a video girl, and I've always done YouTube. I've had my channel for like 11 or 12 years, and now I'm like, oh, I actually have stuff I can talk about and show tutorials and that kind of thing. So I don't know, let me know what you think. If I should do a podcast, I'm already halfway there, but I'm not fully committed, and I feel like with something like that, if you're gonna do it, you've got to do it. And right now I'm just kind of like, I don't know if I want to do it right now, but videos, I love videos. So let me know what you think. Also, I'm going to refilm all of my care and styling videos, and I'd like to put those into like a more easily accessible whatever. So let me know what you want to see, if there's a specific care with extensions or styling or anything like that. I'm taking requests. I don't know if there's anything else, but also I do have something big going on at the salon that I'm sharing this week. If you're on my email subscriber list, you've already gotten that email. You have first access to anything new before I share it with everyone else. So you can stay watching all week. I'm going to give you little sneak peeks, behind the scenes, kind of like little tidbits, but I have a new luxury service that goes well with the vibe of what I offer, but also helps meet people in the middle if they're not ready for a full commitment. You'll get more information as the week goes on, but it's pretty exciting. And one of my dear friends and clients, Christy, we started soft launching the product, /service this summer. So I'm going to be sharing something really cool with her later this week. So stay tuned. If you want to see it now, you can hop on my email list. I think in my story I have the link, or it's just in my bio link. You can just hop on there. But that way you get first dibs on everything, and it's just a nice way to kind of stay connected, because I share things in our emails that are a little more personal usually, and other things that I enjoy talking about. I don't know if you enjoy hearing about it, but other things with life, like fashion, style, and health and wellness and all that kind of stuff. So that's where you can get all of it kind of curated for you from me. So you can do that in our bio link. And then I guess that's pretty much it. I have lots of stuff going on, and it just feels nice for once to be able to say, I can actually still show up for you instead of just kind of trying to get through everything. It's been a long few months. It's been since April that I've been really not well. So I feel like the sun is peeking through the clouds, even though we're heading into the doldrums of winter. It's okay. I turn the heat on and we'll stay warm. It'll be fine. But if you have any questions for me, if you want to have any videos made, anything specific that you want to see, let me know. And I hope you're having a great day. And get the hair. It makes such a difference. It makes such a difference. Okay, I will be flipping my hair soon. I will talk to you later. Bye.